Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Office District Ayush Society is Khasi Hills but Ribhoi District hakash podru ya yong arajar punriu. Rakhe ko World Homeopathy Day arajar punriu halokapang. Homeopathy for Sustainable Health hakawalapan long Hamonru Institute of Integral Training Shillong. Haganigasngi na sakhilang daga Addition Deputy Commissioner ke East Khasi Hills kakong HML Kinta kablalong kum kakong san baga Director of Health Services MI ke Doctoral GS Moment kablalong kum kasumut kong san bat kiwe.
This is a sign of dignity and honor, and saying our oath with our own name is what we are taking as a pledge today in front of our honorable chief guest and all the guests who are here. Oath is a solemn promise or a sworn declaration or a public pledge that a person will perform some action or duty, generally with the promise of doing so truthfully. And as you all stand up, wherever you are, and I'm sure that you are aware that you stand not only before the authority of the government, but also before God. And whatever you pledge today may keep ringing to your ears so that you may be faithful to serve the sick and the needy. I, Dr. Bisolindhar, solemnly pledge myself to consecrate my life to the service of humanity. Even under threat, I will not use my medical knowledge contrary to the laws of humanity. I will maintain the utmost respect for human life. I will not permit consideration of religion, nationality, race, political beliefs, or social standing to intervene between my duty and my patient. I will practice my profession with conscience and dignity in accordance with the principle of homeopathy and accordance with the principle of biochemic system of medicine, tissue remedies. The health of my patients shall be my first consideration. I will respect the secrets which are confided to me. I will maintain by all means in my power the honor of humanity. On my honor, I swear that I shall practice the teachings of homeopathy, perform my duty, render justice to my patients, and help the sick who comes to me for treatment. May the teachings of our master, Dr. Hahnemann, inspire me, and may I have strength for fulfillment of my mission in the state of Meghalaya. Thank you so much. May you be bound by the oath you have taken and keep accumulating more knowledge of diseases, more knowledge of medicines, as our Master Hahnemann said in the Organon of Medicine, Aphorism 3, that you will be successful in your career as a physician. Thank you. Please take your seat.
There are 16 dignitaries. There are 16 participants who participate. So we selected one by the committee, and the best three are. These are the best three, and the winner. There will be one winner from this logo. Sorry, ma'am.
Who participated in this competition?
They are all homeopathic doctors.
Okay, all the doctors.
And for the winner, we decided on the committee to give a cash prize of rupees 10,000. So we are giving a memento and a certificate as well.
So once again, good afternoon to all of you. Good morning to all of you. I'm so happy to be a part of this, and I feel very privileged to stand here to announce the name of the winner. All of you, you have given all of us a tough time because all the 16 entries are very, very good. So as Dr. Clark has already briefed all of you, we selected according to the marks, and these are the selected ones, the three selected ones. And the winner is Dr. Jessel Emily Nongru.
This is the winning logo. Thank you, madam. Dr. Palaiman R.G. Dr. E. Ribhoi. And Dr. Amy Grace Kurbat. Thank you, ma'am.
Respected chief guest of today's program, Srimati M. Kenta, additional DC of East Khasi Hills, joint directors, senior medical and health officers, and everyone present here today. I'm honored to be here today as guest of honor on this occasion of World Homeopathy Day 2026. I extend my warm welcome and greetings to all the participants, health professionals, newly recruited doctors, and everyone present here today. As we come together to celebrate the World Homeopathy Day, we are reminded of the enduring importance of the healing art. We have all heard from the previous speakers from the video that homeopathy offers a gentle yet effective approach to healing that is suitable to each and every individual. We have seen from the video that finally Mr. Sangma also have agreed to take homeopathic medicines. Since our doctor who has given the keynote address and also various other speakers have mentioned about what homeopathy is and what homeopathy can give, I do not want to speak further. I want to take this moment to extend my heartfelt appreciation to all the dedicated doctors of homeopathy, Ayurveda, yoga, and naturopathy who are present here today. Your unwavering commitment to the principles of holistic healing and your tireless efforts to promote homeopathy and Ayurveda systems as a whole are truly commendable. Your dedication serves as an inspiration to all, and I encourage you to continue your valuable work in improving the health and well-being of our communities. I also want to extend my heartiest congratulations to the freshly recruited homeopathic doctors who have joined today. I have observed that most of them are ladies. We being, I think, matrilineal society has maybe got this advantage. All the 4 directors of health, Director including myself, Director MCH, Director Medical Education Research, Shillong Medical College Director. We are all females. Even all these who are occupying the front row, all the joint directors, and most of the participants here, I could see that we are all females. So, even once our health minister was commenting that because the females are leading the health department, we are doing very well. We could see that we could get most of the awards even under NHM programs, and in almost all the programs we are doing very well. So I would like to encourage all the newly recruited doctors to continue in your work with dedication and give the best of everything, of all that you can. And as you embark on this journey in the field of homeopathy, I would like to urge you to remain steadfast in commitment to excellence and compassionate care. Your role as healers and advocate for holistic health is vital, and I'm confident that you will make meaningful contributions to the field. In context of our state, it is encouraging to witness growing integration of homeopathy within the public health system. The efforts made towards strengthening Ayush services, especially at grassroots level, are gradually making Ayush healthcare more accessible and acceptable to our people. The integration not only broadens treatment options but also ensures a more patient-centered approach to healthcare delivery. As we move forward, it is essential that we continue to build awareness, strengthen infrastructure, and encourage evidence-based practices within homeopathy. Collaboration between different systems of medicine will be key in addressing the diverse health needs of our population. As we embark on this journey and celebration, let us reaffirm our commitment to promoting holistic health practices, supporting integrative healthcare approaches, and advocating for greater access to homeopathy treatments for all. Let this day serve as a reminder of our collective responsibility to nurture and promote systems of medicine that are safe, effective, and rooted in holistic well-being. So I once again want to thank you all for inviting me to be a part of this occasion. And I look forward to a day filled with inspiration and camaraderie as we celebrate the tireless wisdom of homeopathy and its transformative potential for our health and well-being. Thank you, Kublai Sibun and Nutella.
Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable guests of honor, Mrs. J.S. Norman, Directorate of Health Services, MI. Both our joint directors who are here with us. Our chairperson, Dr. E. Kapia, homeopathic physician, Sora CC, Dr. Bidhar SNO Ayush, Dr. Pala, Dr. H. Lanam, distinguished members of the District Ayush Society, senior retired Ayush medical officers, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon to everyone present here. It is indeed a privilege and a pleasure for me to be part of this special celebration of World Homeopathy Day 2026, observed under the theme Homeopathy for Sustainable Health. At the outset, I would like to commend the Office of the District Ayush Society East Khasi Hills and Ribhoi district in collaboration with the Meghalaya Council for Homeopathic System of Medicine for organizing this meaningful program. I also extend my appreciation to all the speakers, participants and organizers who have contributed to making this event possible. On the special occasion of World Homeopathy Day, we are reminded of the valuable role that homeopathy continues to play in strengthening healthcare that is affordable, humane, and holistic. The theme Homeopathy for Sustainable Health beautifully reflects the importance of building a health system that supports prevention, inclusiveness, and lasting wellness for all. Homeopathy has over the years earned the trust of many people by offering a gentle and patient-centered approach to treatment. In today's world, where people are increasingly seeking healthcare that is both affordable and humane, homeopathy continues to have an important role to play. It complements our broader health system by focusing on wellness, prevention, and the treatment of the whole person. I would like to take this opportunity to acknowledge the dedicated services of Ayush practitioners and healthcare workers whose commitment continues to strengthen health delivery at the community level. Your efforts in reaching people, creating awareness, and promoting preventive health are commendable and deeply appreciated. Let us continue to work together to promote awareness, encourage ethical practice, support research, and strengthen the services under Ayush. It is through collective effort, dedication, and sincerity that we can ensure better health outcomes for our people. Once again, I thank the organizers for inviting me to this celebration and for giving me the honor of addressing this gathering. I congratulate all those who have worked hard to make this program a success. I would also like to extend my congratulations to the newly inducted Ayush officers who have taken their oath today in front of all of us. Many congratulations to you all.